What's going on, gardeners? On today's 2-minute garden tip, I'm going to show you how to tell when a watermelon is ripe so you could pick it at perfect ripeness. There's a lot of myths out there on how to tell when a watermelon is ripe. Anything from knocking on it with your fist and hearing how it sounds to picking it up and feeling how dense it is. But I promise you, farmers are not out there in a field knocking on their watermelon or picking it up and feeling the density. All you have to do is look at the vine itself. This is a typical watermelon vine where the leaves come off the watermelon vine at roughly a 90-degree angle. That is called a node. And at each node, you will see right here, there is a tendril. Here's a tendril, here's a tendril, there's a tendril, there's a tendril. At every leaf node, there is a tendril. All you have to do to determine when a watermelon is ripe is to look at the tendril at the node where the fruit is. So take your watermelon, take the stem all the way down to the node, and at that node you want to focus on the tendril that is at the node. And when that tendril is fully brown and completely dehydrated, that is how you know when a watermelon is ripe. It is as simple as that. So when you see your watermelon start to get large, keep an eye on that tendril. It will slowly turn from green to brown, and the moment it is brown, you want to pick your watermelon. Watermelon can go from ripe to overripe very quickly, so it's very important that you keep an eye on your fruits and pick them as soon as you see that tendril become completely brown and dry. Now that the tendril is completely brown and dried out, it's time to harvest our watermelon because we know it's ripe. Now here is our watermelon. It is a beauty. It has a nice big yellow field spot, which indicates it's been sitting in the sun for a long time. So now we're going to cut this bad boy open. I completely forgot this is one of those orange watermelons, and that just looks fantastic. Look at that beauty right there. Doesn't that look absolutely perfectly ripe? Well, it looks really good, but how does it taste? I can't wait to taste this. Wow, that is the best watermelon I have ever grown. And it's been so wet and rainy too. I can only imagine how good this would be if it were a little bit drier out. And that right there is how you pick the perfectly ripe watermelon. Now I just need to figure out how I'm going to eat all of this. And that's today's 2-minute garden tip. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell to receive new video notifications, and check out our Amazon storefront and spread shop in the video description for a list of the gardening products I use and awesome custom designed apparel and other gear. Your support is greatly appreciated.